Alright, here we have a 2012 Ford F-550. This has a 6.7 liter Powerstroke diesel engine. It's paired with an automatic transmission. Looking at 150,000 miles on the odometer. We actually replaced the engine in this though. Mechanic's truck, as you can see, has the utility body on it. Welder, greasing system, all that good stuff. I'm going to take a look at some of the other features this truck has to offer for you. Tow hooks in the front. Tires, running boards. This has power locks and windows, vinyl seats, vinyl floors. Knapheide utility body, leads for the welder. Device on the front, back bumper here, towing package, hydraulic fluid reservoir. Additional storage box back here. Over here to the welder. 84 hours. A little bit easier to start if you have two hands. There's your oil reservoirs. We'll roll up door here. Air compressor right there. Alright, so like I say, you got 150,000 miles on this unit. You've got your Bluetooth controls, steering wheel controls, your cruise control, AM/FM radio, CD player, Heat and AC, auxiliary power switches, PTO control right there. Power locks and windows, like I said earlier, power mirrors. Overall, pretty solid truck. Come check it out.